Duct is in, and we're starting to put it together and get rolling. More videos to come. There it is. They're all put together. Here they are, ready to go. We got some 90s also that are already put together, and we're just waiting on the fan. They said the fan should be here today, but I don't know, hopefully. Here's the inline Dayton fan. It's an 11.5-inch wheel, or 11-inch wheel, 3 speeds. For it to be on the high speed, you just do it straight to the hot and neutral. For medium, you put the red to the black, and for medium it's blue to black, and for low it's red to black. And I mean the incoming black wire, not this black wire. You insulate this black wire, and then you would use the other 2 colors as your hot. But it's on high right now, and it's a very quiet fan. It moves 738 CFM. I feel like it's not going to be strong enough, but I hope so, because we got about 35 feet of duct to go. But I'll plug it in here for you. Very quiet. I think it's a decent amount of air. And they also, nice to give you a junction box, which goes on top of the fan like that. And we got some other pieces of sheet metal that just came in delivery. This is not for that, this is for the window actually. This is going to go in the window pane over there like this, and the 10-inch duct inlet's going to attach to this. So this is what this is for. The only thing left is we're waiting on vibration isolators and the transition from 11 7/8 to our 10 by 10. And there's a spin down. Sweet little fan. Sweet little fan. Thanks for watching. Mike out. So I'm just doing a little experiment. I just hooked up a duct to the front inlet just to see the suction, and it's pulling a good amount of air. So I'm sure, you know, pushing air back to the steam room won't be a problem for this little guy. It's actually really quiet. Pushing a good amount of air out here, but it's going to be an intake fan, so this is going to be pushing air back toward the steam room, as you know. So that's what we're counting on, but we can't do that until we get the reducer and all that and get it hooked up. Then we'll really know what this little guy is capable of. But for now, it's doing pretty well. It's actually pretty strong. That's actually, don't underestimate that little fan. Wow. Okay, now I'm trying it the other way. And here's a good amount of air coming out of here, and it didn't feel that strong, but it does have pressure to keep that up, because once you put this here, it definitely has some pressure to it. I mean, that's a thick piece of sheet metal, and it's able to push that. So, again, I underestimate this. This may be 700 CFM here. It's still 700 there. It's still 700 here, which means it has enough pressure to keep up through the ductwork. So that's good. It may drop a little bit, but it will still get the air we need. Alright, concludes this test. So here's some of the ducting work we did today. These are only temporary supports until we do some hanger system. We got the duct connected into the steam room and out to here so far. So all these connections are finished. And we also insulated it to here. So we're pretty much halfway there. There it is. Goes around and up top, and all the seams are caulked as well. The guy actually, for the ducting supply, he gave us the wrong size. I think these are slips or drives. So for 10 by 10 duct, these should have a full length diameter of 12, because when you bend these tabs, they're only 8 inches. So we made it work. I mean, everything's sealed up and screwed in, so we made it work for now, but we'll have the right ones on Monday, this coming Monday. Today's Friday. Those other videos you just saw were done yesterday, and we did a lot of running a duct today, so it's good. Everything's sealed, we taped, we caulked, screwed in. It's pretty good, so that's part of it here, and more videos to come. This is where we got with the duct so far. I did some insulating here. We have to, there's a gap under there I gotta fill. Insulated it all the way here. Okay. Using the rods for the time being. We just did this joint here, caulked, taped. Same here, there's insulation on the top side as well. Comes down. Here, we're gonna have to do a 45 and a 45. We got these pipes in the way, and then the fan is gonna go down here, and that's where we're at. Alright, so this is what we did for today. We're up to here. We might be able to make it under, but we might still have to do a 45, go straight to the fan. We did 2 support brackets here. One here, but we are going to have to do one straight across, because you can tell that the duct wants to drag these down. So we're going to have to do, I told my boss, we're going to have to do one here, and one here, and then another one down there. And maybe one there, one here, one there. I mean, we still have to do 3 at least across, but we got a lot accomplished today, and we'll pick up on Thursday. I'm off the next 2 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, so this will conclude part 2, and then there'll be a part 3. Thanks for watching. Mike out. If I didn't show it before, here's how the duct came through the pit.